click the red color subscribe button along with the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a brand new video, and like the video if you loved it. Today's recipe is gonna be something special, everyone's favorite, the french fries. For this you need 3 fresh potatoes, that is urlakalang in Tamil. After your potatoes have been washed well, you're gonna start cutting it. And we haven't peeled the skin of the vegetable because there would be no big difference, but if you want to peel off the skin, you can peel it off. So the perfect shape of the french fries would be cutted out like this as shown in the video. Take out the piece and cut it from the middle. It should look like a long rectangular shaped. Now let go your presses. Enjoy chopping the potatoes into rectangular shape. Now here are all the pieces ready. Now you should be ready with a cotton cloth here. And start washing all the fries pieces. After it's done washing, what are you gonna do? Yeah, make all the pieces over the cotton cloth and let them dry. Now wait until the pieces get dried. For making it dried soon, you can even wipe the pieces with your cotton cloth. Now here, all the pieces is been dried out, and take a vessel or a pan. You gonna let the pan get heated a bit and then pour some oil. If you gonna add some oil now and let the oil settle over here till it get heated. Put a small piece inside the oil to check if it's heated. Now you can see it's been heated well. Now you're gonna add your fries inside this. Add a bunch of fries inside it and let them heat a while. Stir the pieces alternatively to get all the pieces cooked well. And this is how your fries piece should look like. Not very brown or not very light skin. It should be cooked, half cooked, and it's time to take them all out after it's been half cooked. Now what you're gonna do is let them cool for a while, because every fries needs a double fried process. So we are gonna fry this in the same oil for the second time. So after the pieces got cooled down, place all the fries inside the same oil and fry them again. And while the second time of fry, you can see that it's been a slightly brownish color, and now you're going to take all the fries outside the pan. To make them more tastier, you're going to add some salt to it, and even some spices like red chili powder, fodie, and even pepper if you want. That's it for the video, guys. Your restaurant style and yummy french fries are ready here. Now it's your turn. What you're going to do is like, share and subscribe to our channel. Show some love. Stay connected. Love you all. Click the red color subscribe button along with the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a brand new video. And like the video if you loved it.